Hello everybody, this is my yearly dividend portfolio update. For this month I made about $96.57. That's pretty big. I got a large dividends from a lot of companies for the end of the year quarter, so that is December's only $95.57. But I did do a total of my entire portfolio of $50,000. I guess it'd be about $53,000 right now, so that is a little bit of a lie, but not too much. It's a $50,000 portfolio, and this is what happened. January I had 46.01, and I do believe that was because of XEQT. I double counted for last year's dividend, which was about $30, so you could actually say that was about 16, but for the sake of the matter, we're going to do 46, and this is why that's here. So we're going to do a little bit of debating later. On February, $7.32. This is actually pretty standard. You'll see a few of these months with low amounts, and that is because those are the months that I didn't get any dividends from Manulife Financial. Some of the heavier, these are just the small REITs that I had even smaller positions on. So we're again not too worried about that. That's just another month we got to add. March I had 46.54. Then 27, it goes up. June, again, $98. That was XEQT. That was a big dividend. That's also NEWT. So between XEQT and NEWT paying me at the same month, you'll see large amounts of money going in. At the beginning of the year, I also had VDY in my portfolio, so you'll see that's another reason why the January is a little more than the rest of them. But overall, I see a slight increase, not slight, but an increase in dividends over time. That is also because during this year, my portfolio size doubled. So I did start the year, I believe, at about, very low. I invested quite a lot of money halfway through the year, and I used a lot of money I had on the side halfway through the year. So that's why you see, October, November. That's because I almost tripled my size of Dream Industrial and Nexus REITs. That's just, the growth of the portfolio. That's reinvested dividends over time, and right now it isn't that much. It's about $551 in total, 62 cents. And if you accounted for the dividends from XEQT pre-X dividend date, so the X dividend date was the 30th of December, but I didn't get paid till after into the new year, you could say that I made $630 for the total year. But that would be adding also these dividends, but if I subtracted those and added those, it'd still be about $600. So yeah, about $550 to $600, depending on what way you want to calculate that, is how much I made dividends this year on a $50,000 portfolio. Wow, that's a lot. I didn't think it would be that much. I was quite surprised. I kept adding, 0.2, or I guess it'd be 20 cents, 90 cents, 93 cents is what I was getting paid from Empire Co. forever. But yeah, it just kept adding up. It just kept adding up and adding up and adding up. And I'll make a little a short, and it'll just be a scroll through of all my positions, or I guess all the dividends that I was paid out. You could run the total yourself. I'm just gonna keep this very clear for you guys. And yeah, I made $551 in dividends. Thank you for watching, guys, and cheers to next year. Bye now.